different people. And actually, if you apply it to American music, my grandfather used to say that jazz is not what he composed. He composed American music. So American music is jazz because it was composed here. Now its elements came via Africa, South America, the islands, Cuba, New Orleans, Kansas City, Chicago, New York. And that was the path of the jazz music. But New Orleans was actually one of the most important places where it morphed, and it was the first place in the United States to actually carry this tradition from Africa in through all the different
Because it was a
places.
port city? Is that why it
Well,
was?
you know, it's a mystery because I think there was such a mishmash of races there. There were the mulattoes, this, that. There were so many different people from all over the world. It had a European flavor, it had a South American flavor, it had a French flavor, it had a Spanish, Italian, you know, and so you go through all this, and all of these people were coming to America, and they were bringing their music with them, and they were having different instruments that they brought with them, and they had all of this, and so people would use it at a time when there were just the beginnings, and people of color were just making their way, and like the only way any people of color were making it was either through the music world or the athletic world.
Welcome to New Orleans. Welcome back, old town. Hot mixes, come on, relax. Shake those troubles off your back. Oh, welcome back.